WISA Stock Thursday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at WiSA Technologies, it's a 15% increase in price. Yeah, an overall bearish market. And before I get into this further, context, I have delivered thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses and mentors, documented everything. Not a good to look at all. Like my two predictions, like, were both short sell, like here. And now I feel like we had a crazy expansion, but I'm not exaggerating when I say I've seen this extension happen thousands of times. The most likely thing in my eyes is taking the lows out continuously. So yeah, I'm not gonna force those shorts though. You know, maybe if the rules are met, then sure, fine, I'll take a short. But if they're not, I would not care. So I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.